You're my lover, undercover. You're my sacred passion and I have no other. You're delicious, so capricious. If I find that...
Zabac i Stonoga sa Helenom Paparizou, prošlogodišnjom pobjednicom Eurosonga. Zdravo, Helena.
Zdravo.
Kako si?
Dobro, kako si ti?
Pa dobro sam, ne znam kako je Zabac, ali ja sam dobro.
I didn't get a thing right now, just the first words.
What do you think about this year's competition here? Is it harder than last year's?
Somehow it feels like it's much more harder because actually it feels like the songs has spread out. It's not like there are 10 ethnic songs. There are 3 ethnic songs. There are a lot of different kind of ballads. There are great pop songs in different styles. So I really don't know what people are going to vote for because they're very strong songs and very strong characters on stage. But I wish them all good luck, of course. But of course I also want Greece to win
Last
twice.
year,
Or, the second home country, Sweden. Why not?
What do you think about Harry and Severina?
From which country?
Harry from Bosnia.
He's beautiful. The song is amazing. Željko has been written an amazing song. It's very sensitive, very sensitive.
And Severina from Croatia.
Oh, I like that she's alive. She's alive. I like the way, that I really like her legs, first of all. And I like the way, when she moves around. And sometimes the song reminds me of another Greek song that we have. No, she's very energetic. That's her style. She's very different from all the others, but she's good.
Okay, we don't have much time.
Yeah.
You're my secret passion and I have no other.
Oh, you don't remember the rest? I'm gonna kill you guys! I'm gonna kill you!
You sing.
You're my lover, undercover. You're my sacred passion and I have no other. Rakatakata. You are the one, you're my number one, the only treasure I'll ever have. You are the one, you're my number one. Anything for you, 'cause you're the one I love.
Helena Paparizou, 12 points!
Merci
Helena
beaucoup.
Paparizou, 12
Points from... Oh yes, for the end.
Oh my God! I'm getting dizzy.
Oh,
Thank you.
me too.